We're about to fit up a PTEC full carrier rear disc guard to this 2022 300 beater with the Nissan rear brake. First thing we need to do is remove the brake pads. On the Nissan brakes, the brake pads are held in place with a screw-in pin, unlike the KTM, which are held in place with split pins and a sliding rod. First thing we need to do after disassembling the rear brake assembly is remove the pin from the OEM carrier and place it in the new PTEC carrier. We will put some Loctite on this, Loctite red, and screw it into the new PTEC carrier. Next thing we're doing is relocating the glide plate from the old unit to the new unit, and that simply just clips on and is held in place by the spring tension. We've also relocated the base rubber to the new unit. Once all the pins and the bungs are relocated, we can simply then just slide the caliper back onto the new braking unit. That's it. All finished, all fitted up, maximum protection. The fin is also replaceable. Should we ever damage this fin or the fin need replacing, 4 simple bolts and you can buy a replacement part.